Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, finally Samsung Galaxy S23 series and million of other Samsung users has started receiving a February security page update in March. Yes guys, we are receiving February update in March. So we are quite late, and could this be the last update before One UI 8.5? Hope so. And I have heard that in this update, Samsung has removed the most important feature of Samsung phones, which is clear char partition in recovery mode. I don't know why they did it. We're going to see it after updating. So if I go to settings and scroll down, click on software update, click on, you can see there is update. Let me click on download. The update is downloading, and let me go over this link. Let's see if there is anything new. So, okay. Here you can see it's clearly see the device is protected with improved security. So it's just a security update. There is nothing new, I guess. Obviously, I will do update in front of you guys as I always do. After updating, I will check that have they removed that clear char partition or not. So before updating, I have already taken the picture how it looks. So currently this is how it looks. You can clearly see there is clear char partition. All right, as you can see, the update has finished downloading. But before installing the update, as you all know, if you are my old subscriber, I always do a camera test, because a lot of people says like after updating Samsung, every new update Samsung downgrade that camera, or sometimes they improve the camera. Sometimes it's true. I'm saying my personal experience. So we do a camera testing. Okay, so I'm taking this photo before updating 1x. Okay, this is 1x. Let me take a 3x photo, then we will compare it later after updating. Okay, so I will only take 2 photos, otherwise the video will be too long, and I know there won't be that much difference. All right, now let me click on install now. Hope so I will not get any green line. After updating, I will go to recovery mode, and also I will check that if they have removed that clear char partition or not. Okay, let me fast forward the video now. Alright guys, just finished updating. Let me unlock the phone for the first time. So the phone has restarted, and let me unlock the phone for the first time. And obviously, this is a security page update, so there won't be any new features. But as you know, like sometimes there are performance improvement, and sometimes there are performance declined. But instantly, we can't notice it. We have to use the phone for a few days, 1 or 2 days, then only we can notice that what's different after updating. Okay, and obviously I will go to recovery mode, and we'll check they have removed that clear chat partition feature or not. But before that, let me update is done. Okay, and if I go to settings, and you can see your phone has been updated. If I go to software update, let me show you download and click on install. And as you can see, security page level is 5 February 2026. Okay, now let me go to home screen, and let me open the camera, and let me take a photo and do comparison. Then I will go to recovery mode. Okay, so first let me take a 1x photo just like before. Okay, this is 1x. And let me take a 3x photo, and you guys will decide. Okay, I will not give you any review, so you guys will decide is there any difference between so this is after updating, obviously. So okay, so I have taken 1x and 3x photos. Now here is the photos. You guys decide is there any difference or not, because I don't find any difference. Okay, and the performance wise, the phone is pretty smooth still after updating, so there is no issue. Okay, if I go to settings, you can see while scrolling there is no issue. And for battery, we have to use this phone we have to use this update at least for 2-3 days to know that the after updating the battery has been decreased or improved. Okay, for battery. So obviously a battery backup in this S23 FE is not that good again. Okay, now let me go to recovery mode, and let me show you have they removed that feature, or they have that feature is still there. All right guys, now I'm in recovery mode on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and the bad news is, yes, they have removed the clear char partition. I don't know why did Samsung remove this. I don't know why. Like, why Samsung, why? So this feature used to be very useful. Like whenever you install a new software update, like this monthly update or any update, sometimes there must be like bugs, sometimes phone glitches, sometimes phone lag a lot. So people come to the recovery mode, and they just select the clear chat partition, and most of the time it fixed that issue. Okay, so now Samsung has removed it. So after February update, Samsung has removed that clear chat partition feature. So there might be a reason. Till now I don't know the reason. So there might be a reason. That's why Samsung has removed it. If you know the reason, please let me know in the comment. So now let me reboot my phone. So yeah, guys, Samsung has removed it. All right guys, So this was the video. If you have a Samsung phones, you might be receiving this February update in your so just go to settings and check for the update. This is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, but other Samsung S23 series and other S24, S25 and other AMF series has also got this update. Just go to settings and check for the updates. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I have already shown you the camera comparison and battery backup. I clearly right now I can't can't test it, but the performance seems fine. And also, but they have removed that clear char partition feature, and also thankfully I haven't got the green line. Okay, all right, guys, thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. If you have any question, just comment below. I will definitely help you. Bye, take care.